Remove the outer frames on both sides. Twist off the dashboard fixing screws. Removing the hood. Torque down the screws under the dashboard. Unplug the original power cord. Remove dashboard screws. Remove the dashboard back shell. Unplug the dashboard needle. Open the back shell. Remove the circuit board. Unplug the small screen. Don't rip the cable. Turn on the LCD instrument panel. Insertion of wires. Aligning the dashboard circuit board. Lock the two screws. Plug the black wire into the socket. This motherboard has a reserved space behind it. Tuck the black wire into the dash. Cover the case. Don't bend the wires. Torque up the 3 dashboard screws. Note: cut off this snap. Easy to install later. Note: cut a snap on the right side as well. Plug in the adapter cable. The white wire is also plugged in. Take out the USB cable for easy upgrades. Through the left reserve. Original cable pairing. Please ensure that all wires are securely plugged in. Tuck the cable into the hole after insertion. Avoid crushing the wires. Twist on 2 screws to secure. Installation of the original frame. Installation of the hood. Installation of side panels. Installation completed.